name is Amani and I love tongue twisters. But some of these twisters can be challenging, and that's why I want to help you practice so we can get better at saying them together. Here's how this tongue twister challenge works. First, you'll hear me say a tongue twister really slowly. Then, you'll hear a sound like this. That's the signal for you to repeat the tongue twister with me. At each sound, my voice will get softer and the speed will become faster. But we'll practice together until we both get better. Today's Toffee TV tongue twister challenge is Faasla, 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 Faasla. Ready? Let's go! Faasla, 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 Faasla. Faasla, 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 Faasla. Let's try it again, a little faster. Ready? Let's go! Faasla, 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 Faasla. 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 That's pretty good. Let's go a little faster. Ready? Here we go. Faasla, 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 Faasla. Faasla, 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 Faasla. Faasla, 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 Faasla. Faasla, 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 Faasla. Whoa! You're getting pretty good. Ready? Get set, go! Faasla, 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 Faasla. 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 That was so much fun. Remember, keep practicing so you keep getting better. Thanks for playing the Toffee TV Tongue Twister Challenge. See you later.
Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.
ToffeeTV.com.
For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.